Okay, and now question number 13, same year, 2019, paper 1. Another graph question here, and it looks like they want us to draw this graph. So again, we're going to do a table. Anytime you have to do a graph, you have to do a table. This time though, it's not linear, you know, so we would have got away in the last one with just doing 2 points and drawing a line between them. But here actually, it's going to have a curve in it. It's what we call a quadratic graph. And yeah, there's going to be a curve in this. So we are going to have to do each of these points. Here's the domain, our input values. Okay, so once again, you're going to do a table down below. Okay, try and keep this one neater this time. So we're going to have the x values. X values, then we have the function itself, x squared minus x minus 2. Okay, and then that'll give us our y or values, or our output values. I hope you all remember this. If not, go to the chapter on this, functions and graphs. If ever you get stuck, you know, just email me or put a question in on the OneNote in your own section, and I'll keep an eye out and I'll answer it. Okay, so the domain again, the input values between -2 and 3. So we're going to have -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. And you input these -2 squared. So wherever x is, I'm just replacing it now with the input value, -2 in the first case, -1 after that. Then we get our calculators to help us with this. So I'm just inputting the domain, the numbers, the inputs, the values, the x values, whatever you want to call them. And finally, the 3 will be the last one. Okay. Okay, so bear with me just one moment. Okay. Okay, so I used my Casio calculator there to quickly calculate the answers here, okay? If you want any information on using the Casio calculator to do this, just ask. I'm pretty sure I have it in over here somewhere on the left side. Casio calculator, studying maths, there you go, okay? There's a step-by-step how to do what I just did here. It just makes things really a lot easier and quicker. So what are my results here? What are the output results here? So they are, when x is -2, it works out that y, or the output value, is 4. 0, -2, -2, 0, and 4. And the couples. So these are what we'll use to make our graph. -2, 4. So that would be this and this. Then underneath that, and so on. Okay, they're the points now we need to use to pop into our graph up here. Axes and scales already done for you, which is really handy. So -2, 4 is the first one. By the way, this is what we would call this quadratic. It's a positive x squared. So if you remember, I would have been telling you that positive means a happy face, okay? So we are expecting something like that. All right, so let's see. Let's continue putting our points in. -1, 0. 0, -2. 1, -2. 2, 0. And 3, 4. Connect this, connect the dots. Remember at the bottom here to put a curve. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, join the dots again. There you have it. Okay, question 13, 2019, paper 1. Now, I want to set the homework on this video as well. I will write it down in OneNote, and I want you guys to do, as I said here, let's go back. Let's go back to our exam revision chart. Okay, I've just corrected these questions. Now I want you to do question 8, 12, and 14. Question 8, 12, and 14 from 2018, paper 1. So 8, 12, and 14, let's write that in. Okay, I'm going to write that in here and try and get that done for tomorrow. I will correct them, and if there's any questions, please email or ask. So homework. Question 8, 12, and 14 from 2018, paper 1. It'll be on functions and graphs again, okay? Okay, thank you.